It's pretty hot today.
Welcome to the top of the ledge. I have a few requirements. I have a height of 42 inches, a weight maximum of 250 pounds, I'm single, and a weight maximum. Do not try to move or shift your way, and do not try to stop or slow down. Have fun. Hi, welcome to the top of plunge. Please stay behind.
One of the back, right? Yeah. Okay.